Like and subscribe in the next 10 seconds, or else nothing will happen. These intros are just so
stupid.
But please do it anyway, it helps out a lot. Yo, what is up guys, Quags here. So today I'm gonna be doing the only fishing challenge. This challenge was not too hard considering that I landed in a good spot. That spot was near Lazy Lake and it had a lot of fishing holes and I got really good loot. And it was really fun. I was shocked that we got the win in our first try. So hopefully you enjoy. Please drop a like and subscribe and just enjoy the video. Peace. Okay guys, as you can see we are in the game. Okay, so where do you want to go, Smash?
Let's go this place so we can get. Yeah, we can just win.
Yeah.
Or what do you? Or
This
what
is
do you
where
want
we
me next?
landed in the floor is lava.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. It's gonna be pretty hard, but yeah.
Oh, by the way, I'm a controller player. You will
Not
basically
needed,
get
but already.
spam bots from my.
Just find a harpoon. It's not like floor is lava where you spawn with a harpoon.
Wait, the question is, can we get guns from fishing? Like, and we can use those guns.
Yeah. You can get
Okay, then
guns.
that's gonna be good.
Or we can just stack up on heals and go for a freaking heal off.
Let's get floppers till the end, and as many max as possible.
I almost picked up a gun, but then I remembered it's only fishing challenge.
I'm just landing here so I can get a fishing rod or something.
Where
Okay,
are the
Bitch it, there's a fishing barrel here only.
No, there are three things over here.
There's a fishing
Okay,
rod
I got
here.
2 fishing rods.
I got a fishing rod normal.
I need a hole.
I found
And
some
by the way,
fishing
just so
holes.
you know, pickaxing is allowed.
Oh, nice.
Please give me guns. I'll rather take guns there. I'll take even a pistol. Okay, horrible.
I got a blue sniper. Never mind.
I mean, it's better than nothing.
I got a rift fish.
I got a flopper. Okay, that might be extremely useful.
I got a flopper. Okay, I got
Harpoons
a
are
sniper, I got a-
golden in this.
What's golden?
Harpoons. And by the way,
Wow.
just heals are allowed from the ground. Heals and
In the
ammo.
ground. Okay, meaning like minis and all, right?
Yeah, and ammo.
What is that? Oh wait, what is that? Double.
Another flopper.
Oh, I got a kid fighting.
Bro, I'm getting only fish.
I got a sniper. I'm not giving you this.
Bruh. Oh, I got a rib fish.
I'll give you my rift fish.
I feel like its floor is lava.
Let me just start finding stuff.
Like, how
Give
long
me
does
a
it take to
gun.
get a gun? Oh, let's go pistol.
Please give me a gun.
Oh,
let's go, yeah.
no, lucky guy.
I can just spam kids now. Let's go. And the zone's coming, so just hold off fishing.
We have rib fish, the zone's not a problem.
Oh yeah, never mind. I forgot totally about the rift fish. You can get ammo crate.
Ooh, I got a harpoon.
I saw that.
Oh!
Oh, you kidding me? You got a shotgun. Okay, I can't take the SMG, but I can take the wood. Oh god.
You can take
No.
this.
Oh. Nah,
Bandies.
I have flopper.
Lol.
There's a big pot there. No, wait, nah, no.
You can take heals. And there's
I'm using the big pot.
minis right here.
Somebody died here because there's a big pot
I'm
next
dropping
to it.
2 floppers for 3 minutes. Oh, I almost picked up a blue river action.
Give it. I'll hold the flopper. I'll hold the flopper.
It's right there on top. I'm gonna go fish mode.
Kidding me.
Oh god. So guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, drop a like and subscribe. Helps out a lot. Oh my god.
Okay, it's so boring.
If I had an AR, it would be so good.
Oh, okay. I thought you just shot.
Sorry
next
for the
game is a
keyboard
land
noises,
and
guys. I
this
have a loud
one.
keyboard.
Bro, she landed coral castle.
That would actually be a good idea.
Because you can just the unlimited spawn, like fish spawn.
Imagine we win our first game.
Then that's the end of the video, that's it. Bro, this pickaxe is so good.
Okay, please stop saying that.
I'm gonna make your viewers go on.
So give some kids there.
I heard some shots, yeah, I know. Get max because I am very low on max. Bruh, why are you breaking? Oh, there's a bounty code.
Get a bounty.
Ah, no, my mind.
It's a sweat.
The skid is a misty. Oh, they're fighting Ioga.
Should we rift?
Yes, just come here. I'll rift it.
No, I'll rift.
Okay, fine. Go to zone.
Yep. And go
You're
find
using
some
mine.
water. Oh, water right here. We can get some good fishes.
Where?
Right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying there. Is it
And
in
it's
the
in zone.
though?
It is in zone.
Oh yeah, never mind. There's a fishing hole I can see right here. I wanna shot
Oh,
this.
fishing hole right here.
Okay, you can upgrade your shotgun.
wait.
Can you upgrade your shotgun?
Reef
is
fish.
that?
I got another reef fish. Yeah, you can upgrade
okay.
guns.
Oh, kid there.
Don't fight.
I can just snipe him if I want.
I got a
but
shield
don't want
shroom. Shield fish, sorry. Jellyfish,
Eat.
sorry.
to. Oh, I'll just hold this flopper. Never mind.
Oh god. Oh, another snowy flopper.
I don't want it. I have normal floppers. They're way better.
I know, dude. I hate that snow effect. I mean, it can be good for
It's
rotation.
just a little
Sometimes
bit
it can be
backward.
horrible
Hey,
also.
Hey bro, just give me a fishing pole, please.
Harpoons give more guns than fishes.
The
Dude,
good
all
thing
of
about
this
harpoon
loot is so
you don't
tempting.
wait for so long. I know, yeah, actually. You feel like picking them, but you can't.
Yeah, fishing hole.
Let
reef
me
fish.
Let me fish for once. I'll give you my reef fish, let's go. I'll hold this drink.
Gimme.
No.
Bruh.
Okay. Bro, just don't take, please. I beg you, don't.
Psych!
I need content. Oh, I got purple lever action.
Bruh! I can't even.
I'm set. I don't want any more loot.
Bro, I hate you, okay?
Bro, I'm not opaque.
You bully me.
This guy, this man cake, upgrade your guns.
No. Oh, golden charge. Let's go, baby.
Actually,
Yeah, actually, not.
I'll give you a
I'm
blue
not capping.
tag.
I'm not giving you for nothing.
Come on, dude, you suck
This is
at
my
charges.
I don't care.
Bro, just come on.
Fine.
Be a lamb. Thank you so much.
I would upgrade it to purple tag.
I'm gonna upgrade my pistol to a purple pistol. Smash's favorite
Who
gun.
would want that? Who would want a purple pistol? I got two snowy floppers.
Why,
What the
like,
hell is my
nobody uses them.
I mean, I have an okay loadout for now.
A few moments later.
Wait, people.
Bro, whoa. There.
Oh shit.
There.
On me. I'm gonna rift.
They're right here on top of me.
Okay, I'm gonna
Bro,
rift.
they just sprayed me with an SMG. Bro, you literally just drifted without me.
Lol.
Bro, opaque, you just left me.
I betrayed you.
You left me to die.
This is where the game ends.
Oh, by the way, I have a scar, just so you know.
I no-scoped him.
Bro, you're dead, never mind.
He's one shot.
Bro, I think it's not easy with like duos. You can get a whole squad and get.
Oh my god, this is so intense. I don't have mats.
I have Max. Come here, please. Oh my god, I got it. Oh my god. You're so freaking hard. Bro, you're literally like so low. You're gonna die. I'm dead. See ya. Hey, the stupid guy just comes and P90s me. He just jumps out of the car.
Cracked him.
Okay, you know what? You're fighting now.
He'll be impressive if I get him.
But if you can't find
Extreme
Refresh
content.
gives you health.
Actually,
Refresh gives you health. Yeah, it actually gives
should I
health.
eat
Little
away?
health. You want to? You can.
I cracked him midair with a pistol.
In midair.
Actually, I'm gonna rift. Only 20 HP. What the hell?
I just made you waste the refresh, man.
You want me to lose the game or something?
Order.
I don't have any mats.
This gas station gives you meds. There's a bandies on top. And then you can slow up barrel. Oh, bro, there's a pro juice box. What was it called? Hey, drop it. Drop the sniper.
Why? Oh yeah, I
You picked it
forgot.
up.
I forgot. I'm
You
sorry,
didn't
guys.
drop
I'm
it.
sorry. I did not use it.
You didn't.
Oh, some guys getting attacked by Ayogas. Oh my god.
Oh, that's actually good. Peppers also give you health. I'm not joking. They give you 10.
Now I'm at alright here.
There's bandies on top.
If you just gave me your AR,
Yeah, if you would have come to my grave.
you're great.
Yeah, the where I died and I lost.
I don't have any heals, literally.
Oh,
Imagine I clutch this win.
if you clutch this, I don't know. I might gift you something.
Okay,
JK, I'm not gifting nothing to you.
okay.
You will dress me.
I let you die
You just
like a
let
true
me
friend.
die. Who lets a true friend die?
Otherwise, I would have died.
Risky doesn't know morals. Okay.
Is that?
Opek going to break his keyboard in the next 20 seconds if he can't pick that AK because of this challenge.
It just looks so intimidating.
Intimidating. What? I don't know.
Oh!
You're so lucky.
This, I think this used to be Drollby's old landing spot.
Who's that now?
He's a German YouTuber. Maybe
Bruh.
Russian, I don't know.
There's a huge difference between German and Russian.
I don't know, I forgot. He has.
You only literally
Guys,
have
drop a
three
like
guns.
if you know who Drollby is.
A few moments later.
Heals.
Get a supply for heals, no.
I'm not allowed to use anything else. Oh,
No.
yeah,
Heals,
supply for heals.
Bro, you forget everything. I should remind you.
Yeah, I mean, the win still comes to you only.
Yeah, I mean, because if I'm in the game, I don't leave this game, then yeah.
Which probably is not gonna happen, but alright.
Try to clutch this.
I'll be so
Okay,
pissed if
try.
it gives me a scar.
Yeah. Imagine if it gives you a scar or a gold scar.
Oh, I should not waste my ammo.
If I... Why is my ping 78 today?
I don't know.
Those kids just jump on me with the stupid P90. I'm gonna start... I think it's best you become the party leader, or else you just absolute get controllers players.
You want PC sweats?
No. You got two big pots. You got two big pots, I think. Yeah. No.
Why?
Lol, okay.
Why is this game torturing me so much?
Bruh. You're going out of zone.
Ammo, let's go.
Ammo box, let us see what... Oh, it's a huge box. Okay.
I know. That's why I said let's go.
700 woods.
Oh my god, see how much ammo it gave. Wait, I think there are fishing holes around here.
You don't
That-
even have a fishing rod of fake.
But I can find one. The one's holes there. There must be a rod somewhere. I wish you could shoot a gun and one of them would hit a one of the bullets will hit the fish and you'll get the fish.
Lol.
Very complex system.
Epic Games, you need to add that I mean, fishing rods are in a bulk quantity. You can find them many places. Oh, there's minis. I saw minis.
Where?
Look there. Go there. Go straight.
Oh,
There's minis
thank
there.
God. See, like performance
Bruh,
mode is so
if you win
OP.
this game, it's half of because of me.
How? Okay, yeah, I might.
Or else you would have died. Oh, there's kids there. I can see them.
Yeah, I'm so dead.
Unless these kids are absolute bots, you can just
You think they're bots building like that?
Okay, I never mind. They're not bots. Bruh. Who was that kid? Whoa.
Cracked him.
He's gonna shoot now. Because the lever action is without aiming, you know, like in a sense, its accuracy is very bad if you aim at it. When you aim with it.
You mean it's called A?
Bro, you gotta use the charge. You know, just sitting still. Let's go. Yes, no, you can't pick the guys though, dude. Is that a bot? Is that a bot?
That minis. So jealous of this
Oh,
loot.
you're in top 3.
Oh!
Bro, fake me, you can get this.
No, I'm top 2!
I know, but in according to these kids. But they're all there. Oh, it's a skin who killed me. It's the guy who killed me. No, they're different. Is that XD strike? No, it's not him.
Time to fight. I'm dead.
Come on, mate, you can do this. If we hit him for a lucky shot. P90 spray. You won this. Let's go!
First try, boys!
GG.
Let's go!
Let me-
Guys, you gotta drop a like and subscribe for that.